Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Unbox with me my toaster. This is my SUPERLEX toaster. So I got this toaster from Shein. So let's unbox it together. I will be unboxing it and I will be trying it out, and then I will be reviewing it in case if you want to get yours. Yeah, so this is it. So guys, one thing that stood out for me in this toaster is that it's 6-in-1 toaster, so it has different functions. So guys, let's unbox it together. So once I opened it, so the first thing I saw was the manual, and this kind of give you some instruction on how you can go about it. So you can see the different functions. It has grill plate, it has waffle baking plate, it has sandwich plate, it has waffle plate, has donut plate, nut plate, and cake plate. So that makes up the 6 plates that it has. That was actually what got my interest. So keeping this aside, let's see. The first plate that is there is the. So I'm just going to bring out all the plates and then explain it later. So this is the grill plate. Can use to grill your fish or whatever you want to grill. So this is the nut plate. This is the nut plate. This is the cake plate. This is the cake plate. This is the donut plate. This is the waffle plate. So this is the machine. You can say it's SUPERLEX machine. I'll be testing it, guys, and I'll be giving you guys genuine review on it. So it has this buckle. So when you click on it, it opens. So you open it. So inside this is already fixed sandwich plate. So guys, we'll be trying this out. So, and if I want to change any of the parts, I'll just click on this, just put it outwards, and it's going to open, and I'll just remove it and fix any of the plates I want. And if I want to put it down, I'll just press it down and it will close. So guys, that's it. So we'll be testing all of this plate and see does the result really come out well or not.